Hello friends, this is Ifa. In this video, we're going to draw and paint more pink deserts with simple weekly layouts. Before starting, let's see what I've made for my monthly setups. If you're interested to watch it, do check out the description. You'll find the link in the bottom. And all of the supplies I'm going to use in this video is listed in the description as well. Before making my weekly squares, I want to show you two simple monthly squares. One is my master to-do list and another one is my study plan for April. I didn't want to draw and paint the same doodles, so I cut out some of my printable sticker sheets, which is available to my Patreons, and pasted it on my journal. If you're interested in getting the printables and willing to support me, please join my Patreon. You only need to read what you'll get as rewards and select the suitable tier. If you join in the highest pledge, you'll get all of the printables together. Let's move on to our weekly squares for this month. I start my weeklies from Sunday because in Bangladesh, Friday and Saturday is our holiday and we consider Sunday as the first weekday, though some may have to start from Saturday. For this weekly spread, I'm going with 4 pages, like the first 3 days in these 2 pages and the last 4 days on the other pages. On the right side of this weekly spread, I am drawing 2 small tarts with raspberry and mint leaves on the top, also a mini bowl of raspberries. For coloring, I am using different technique from that I did in my monthly setup. That is adding a bit of white color, but here I only used minimum amount of water and my Winsor & Newton watercolor palette. I dipped my brush into water and squeezed the excess water as much as possible so that I don't get any warps in my bullet journal. I'm leaving a bit of white space from coloring to make the highlights. If you have noticed that I did a mistake while painting the shadows on the same side of the highlights, so I blend that as much as possible and deeper the shadows on the opposite side of the stars and the bowl. For coloring the crust, I am painting with burnt sienna color and making it lighter on the left side to create dimension. For raspberries, I use Tombow brush pen, which is a Chinese red color, and I created the shadows with watercolors. As this brush pen is water based, it blended very well. By coloring the mint leaves and darken some parts, I'm done finishing this little painting. In this empty space, I'm using my journaling kit, which I made for my patrons. I absolutely love how this spread turned out. And on the other pages, I'm making 4 horizontal layouts. If you have noticed, I'm leaving gaps rather than drawing full straight lines. It's a trick if you're not good at drawing straight lines. You can stop there after drawing a little stroke and leave a gap. Move your hands in position and start drawing again. That'll make it look better than bad freehand straight lines. the left top, I'm drawing a cheesecake with some raspberries on the top and a mini bowl of raspberries again. I painted the top part in pink and left the bottom part to make it white cheese filler. I cut the sides to make the spreads together, but I think I should have cut it like this so that I can see the painting from the other page. For the next spread, I'm making a simple layout. I didn't know how should I fill, but I don't like it that much. I used the printables to decorate it. Honestly, it's not looking like the way I'd imagined. If you follow me for a while, you know how much I adore vertical weeklies while it comes to larger spaces. I think the red color looks odd in the pastels, but it's fine. I made it already. I'm struggling using my Bujo after a long time, maybe 6 or 7 months have passed since I get a Bujo block. Okay, this term has been introduced by Francisca of Pretty Llama Plants. On her Instagram, she spoke about it. I've given the link of her post, do check that out. Basically, it's the unwillingness to stop your Bujo. My plan was to post this video on the first week, but I couldn't finish the editing. Not only because I got a Bujo block, I was stressed from some reason and some people. I tried to block my thoughts by playing games because that pressure was insane and I wanted to get rid from it. Now I'm feeling free of extra pressure and stress and I'm back. I'll try to upload more videos this month. Hopefully if I don't get some other urgent stupid task in my hand. For the last weekly spread, I'm painting a cake, decorating the raspberries and cream. I don't know why I'm painting this much raspberries. I should have drawn some strawberries to make variations. For the cake, I'm going with a rough brush so that it leaves textures and doesn't look that much blended. Guys, I don't know, my voiceovers are not so interesting, I know. And sometimes I feel that I'm not good at explaining anything that I should have done for you. Maybe because I don't talk without a script. Right now I'm not following my script, so it's more natural than these scripted voiceovers, and I don't know how to explain the stuff that was going into this video, like how I'm painting, how I'm drawing. Like I should have added some other clips to show how I'm using my brush and some other stuffs, but I'm working on it and it's difficult for me right now. But I'm trying to, so that you get a good view and understand how I'm drawing these paintings. So yeah, hope for the best. Moving back to my script, these layers haven't finished yet. I'm adding Sakura Journey washi tapes from Notebook Therapy to every spread. It was kindly gifted me 2 months ago. I absolutely love this set. You can see my pimple video where I used this collection and decorated my letter and envelopes. The light in this video wasn't very good and disturbing too. Sunlight was fluctuating and I didn't use any additional lights, so I hope it doesn't bother you that much to dislike this video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. After the final touch-ups, my Bujo is also ready for this month and for a quick flip through. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.